Hello folks, how excited are you about the two foldable devices Samsung has just confirmed for an undoubtedly glamorous unpacked announcement in Seoul late next month? If you need a little nudge in the direction desired by the world's largest smartphone manufacturer, the latest Galaxy Flip 5 leak is unlikely to do the trick. That's cause the key specifications gathered by the usually reliable Yogesh Brar from existing reports and presumably his own inside sources are in almost no way surprising and virtually identical to what the Galaxy Flip 4 brought to the table nearly a year ago, with a couple of worthy but previously detailed exceptions. Before getting into a short head-to-head comparison between 2022's Galaxy Flip 4 and the fast-approaching Galaxy Flip 5, let us quickly list all of the features tipped for the latter model today. Okay, its main 6.7-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate technology. Also, its secondary 3.4-inch AMOLED screen with HD resolution. Under the hood, there is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 8GB RAM, 128 and 256GB storage options. On the back, we are expecting 12 plus 12 megapixel dual rear-facing camera system, Android 13 with One UI 5.1 software out of the box, and 3700 mAh battery with 25W charging support. So, just as rumored and suggested a few times before, the Galaxy Flip 5 is expected to borrow its primary screen, memory, storage, camera and battery specs from its reasonably popular and reasonably well-reviewed predecessor. That's definitely a little disappointing to hear, but also far from shocking, possibly helping Samsung keep their $1,000 starting price unchanged despite a tough economic climate, a vastly improved chipset, and especially a substantially enlarged cover display. The secondary 3.4-inch panel is likely to sport a very decent resolution of around 750 by 720 pixels, while the primary foldable screen will probably settle for the same 2640 by 1080 pixel count of its forerunner. The unchanged battery capacity, meanwhile, will allow Samsung to further refine an already stunning design by slightly reducing the overall product weight, and more importantly, getting rid of the small but annoying age gap of generations past. The apparent lack of upgrades in the charging, rear camera, storage and memory departments is a tad harder to justify and forgive, especially if there will be no 12GB RAM option this time around, which doesn't really make sense. After all, a candidate for the title of the best phone money can buy, and especially a foldable candidate, has to be greater than the sum of a few of its parts. And there are obviously things about the Galaxy Flip 5 not included in the spec sheet above. While a few of these missing details, like the front-facing camera and wireless charging speeds, are also unlikely to be improved in a meaningful way, real-life battery endurance numbers could well rise thanks to a faster and more frugal Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Then there is the overall software experience, which is also very likely to be enhanced considerably, at least in relation to the much larger and more versatile cover screen. In terms of design and durability, we have reason to expect an expanded color palette with eye-catching new blue, green, platinum and yellow flavors to be added to your main beige, grey, light green and light pink hues, as well as dust resistance added to the existing water protection of the Flip 4 for an unrivaled in the foldable segment combined IP58 rating. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think about Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. Also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Good luck to all.